Hello, you are welcome to solve this nice math problem. We have 2 raised to power s multiplied by 4 raised to power s multiplied by 8 raised to power s is equal to 36. We want to find the value of s from this equation. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Then we have the given equation here, 2 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power x multiplied by 8 raised to power s is equal to 36. Now 2 raised to power s here multiplied by this 4 raised to power s can be written as 2 square to the power of s multiplied by, then this 8 raised to power s can be written as 2 raised to power 3 to the power of x is equal to 36. Now take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power mn. Then the whole of this can be written as, 2 raised to power s multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 times x, this is 2x, multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 times s, that is 3x is equal to 36. Now take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power s plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 36. Now we have 2 raised to power s plus 2x plus 3x, that is 6x is equal to 36. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 2 raised to power 6x is equal to log 36. And if you have a or log a raised to power b, this is equal to b log a. Then the whole of this can be written as 6x log 2 is equal to log 36. Now let us divide both sides of this equation by log 2. This divided by log 2. This divided by log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. And this is 6s is equal to log 36 over log 2. And 6s is equal to log 36 can be written as log 18 multiplied by 2 over log 2. This is same thing as 6s is equal to log 18 plus log 2. This over log 2 and this over log 2. This cancel this. Then 6x is equal to log 18 over log 2 plus 1. Note that 18 is equal to 9 multiplied by 2, and then 9 is equal to 3 square. Then we have 6x is equal to log 9 multiplied by 2 over log 2 plus 1. 6x is equal to log 9 plus log 2 is over log 2 and over log 2 here plus 1. 6x is equal to log 9 is 3 square over log 2 plus this cancel this. We have 1 plus 1, which is the same thing as log 3 square over log 2 plus 2. Then 6x is equal to log 3 square can be written as 2 log 3 over log 2 plus 2. But if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. Then 6x is equal to 2 log 3 base 2 plus 2. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 6 because we are looking for the value of s. This divided by 6. This is cancel this 6. Then 2 here 1, 2 here 1, and then 2 here 3. We have s is equal to log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 3. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 2 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power x multiplied by 8 raised to power x is equal to 36. Then this is the same thing as 2 raised to power 6x is equal to 36. Then if x is log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 3, this is the same thing as 2 raised to power 6 bracket 1 plus log 3 base 2 over 3 must be equal to 36. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. Then this is 2 raised to power 2 bracket 1 plus log 3 base 2 must be equal to 36. Then this is 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 log 3 base 2 must be equal to 36. This is the same thing as 2 raised to power 2 plus log 3 square base 2 must be equal to 36. Then this is 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by the whole of this is then 2 raised to power log 9 base 2 must be equal to 36. If you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then the whole of this is 2 square, that is 4 multiplied by 9 must be equal to 36. 4 multiplied by 9, this is 36, is equal to 36, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.